ass, I say, hey look, your brought this in and got me super fried. I know his op his ass died inside a Uber ride.
I know Brooks got the wheel, I want you to drive. We gave the ops cement shoes and watched them scuba dive. 100 shots, I know you ain't alive. Didn't even make the news yet, but I know that nigga died. Speak, blood on the lemon. I choose the Perkins over that bitch cause she don't understand me.
She don't understand me. Bloodhound, she ain't dancing. That nigga never caught a body, he ain't part of the family.
She said she gon' get her, I gave her pieces in it.
You an actor, nigga, your ass need a Grammy. You can't have my baby, bitch, you better take this Lamby. God turned 3 on me with a stick, this bitch stick out like Whammy. When you see me, don't blink or stop. Move up, got head tap and he had to shave his hair. The drizzy put him in the air. Go against the shit, bitch, I triple down.
They find out about them bees, might just catch the chair. Head taps, he was aiming at his hair.
I caught some niggas with no mess, bitch, I don't care. I touched a nigga in those shoes, bro, come out. They wanna top, don't wanna hell. I spin on shit like I'm a Ferris wheel.